Hello friends, you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pawar Party All Rounder. Dear friend, my name is SS Pawar. I am an ex-serviceman from the army and I hail from a picturesque region of Uttarakhand. Dear friend, these days I came to Uttarakhand along with my wife. We reached here before 1 week. As per routine, today we came here in this forest for morning walk, and I'm just taking this bamboo, and the bamboo is just caring for hosting the flag of God Hanumanji. Yes, today I will host the flag of Bajrangbali Hanumanji, and right now my wife is walking speedily, and I'm keeping this bamboo on the right place. Here it is little bend, but right now I will keep some stone on this bamboo so that it can be straight, and later on I will come along with my brother, and we both will host this the flag of God Hanumanji. And it is my dream that I will construct here a short temple of God Hanumanji. Okay, so I am just hosting this flag of God Hanumanji so that भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे, so that the person who will go through this route, this way, they will not suffer in future. Dear friend, now I have pressed this bamboo with heavy stone because it is little bend, and so that it can be straight, maybe straight. Let's see. It is not more bend, but slight bend, you can say little bend. And after 2 hours I will come here and just take this bamboo and dig a big hole to fix this bamboo in that hole and host the flag of God Hanumanji. Dear friend, I have completed today's session of yoga, meditation, pranayam, and these days Char Dham Yatra is going on, and that's why the helicopter is flying on the sky. And you know, myself and my wife come here in this forest. This is the best place to get tranquility. And if you want to overcome from turbulence, then and you want get tranquility, you can come in this forest. Not in this forest, wherever you live, you can go to your forest. And everywhere in Uttarakhand, there are so many forests everywhere in Uttarakhand. Whenever you come to your native, then go to the forest to get some tranquility. Okay? And friend, meditation, yoga, pranayam is best way to get rid of from this turbulence. And if you want get rid from any turbulence, then you can go to the forest for meditation, pranayam, and just do some yoga. And right now it is 7:30 and I am going towards my home. My wife already going ahead me. It has been raining heavily in Uttarakhand for you can say 1 week, and now it is summer season, but right now we're feeling cold here, so that it is pleasant weather. Yeah, and you can see right now sun is rising, birds are chirping. You can hear the muley is singing sweet sound. It's just like the quail. Yes. So friends, finally today I had one thought that I will host the flag of my Lord Bajrangbali Ji at this place. Today that dream of mine has come true, and with me are my elder brother, other younger brothers and nephews, and everyone is digging a pit for fixing the pole of flag. Dear friends, now we have fixed the pole in the hole, hosted the flag, and worshipped of Bajrangbali with Hanuman Chalisa. Please say Jai Bajrangbali in the comment section and like as well. Okay. Dear friends, in today's vlog, I want to tell you a story titled Captivate the Heart of Your Enemy. Yes, this inspirational story will tell you how we can captivate the heart of our enemy by staying positive. So, let's go to the story. A highly successful grocer had a well furnished shop. He had a flourishing business. The grocer was naturally happy that many customers patronized him and regularly came to his shop for their daily requirements. To his utter shock and disappointment, a large departmental store was constructed just in front of his shop. The grocer thought that the departmental store would drive him out of business. With great distress, he approached the master and told him that his family had owned his shop for a century. To lose it now would be his undoing, for there was nothing else he was skilled at. The master said, "If you fear the honor of the departmental store, you will hate him, and hatred will be your downfall. What should I do then?" asked the distraught grocer. Each morning, walk out of your shop onto the sidewalk and bless your shop, wishing it prosperity. Then turn to face the departmental store and bless it too. What? Bless my competitor and destroyer? Any blessing you give him will rebound to your good. Any evil you wish him will destroy you. After a year, the grocer came to the master to inform him that he had to close down his shop as he feared. On the basis of this story, two questions have been raised. Number one, why did the grocer close down his shop? The answer is since he became the owner of the departmental store, he had to close down his grocery shop. And second question, what is the implication of this story? The answer is we do not live in isolation. Every element in the universe is woven together. This is a scientific truth. Our thoughts have the potential to travel across multidimensional planes. Every feeling that we experience or entertain pervades the entire universe. The good thoughts that we have about a person reach him unconsciously. Every person can sense the good or bad feeling of others. This is an inevitable phenomenon happening continuously in our life with or without our conscious knowledge. Since the grocer did not hate the owner of the departmental store but rather blessed his grocer in due course, they become good friends and the grocer had become a partner in the departmental store. Since the grocer had more experience, he could run the departmental store more efficiently. Ultimately, the earlier owner sold all his rights of the departmental store to the grocer and left the town for good. Dear friends, did you like this story? If yes, please press like button. Give some comments. Who did not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe it as well. Very soon we will see in the next story. Till then, take care. Bye bye.